The Manipur Legislative Assembly unanimously resolved to urge the government of India to abrogate the suspension of Operation SoO PACT with all the KUKI militants on the second of the ongoing budget session. The decision came amid the clamor of the public, particularly in the valley, urging the government of India (GOI) from extending the SoO PACT. According to reliable sources, a meeting is also underway to review SoO agreement with leaders of KUKI militants and officials of the Home Ministry in Guwahati. The agreement expires today. Prior to the decision, a deliberate discussion was held during a short duration discussion motion moved by MLA Shanti and K. Ranjit. Several MLAs opposition and ruling, including Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, participated in the discussion. Initially, the two MLAs moved a calling attention over SoO PACT and atrocities committed by the KUKI militants. However, Manipur Speaker Th. Satyabrata suggested that the calling attention be converted into short-duration discussion to enable all the members of the House to participate in the discussion. Taking part in the discussion, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren said the ruling government in 2008 signed the tripartite SoO PACT with the aim to suppress insurgency in the state and set certain ground rules. After BJP came to power in 2017, the government found out that the ground rules were violated. The then government constructed 14 designated camps for the militant groups under the SoO PACT surrounding the valley. Moreover, these camps were built not only close to National Highway but also near densely populated civilian areas. He drew the attention of the House to adopt unanimously a decision against SoO. Nevertheless, Biren suggested that the decision should be against those violating the SoO ground rules. Opposition leader Okram Ibobi questioned the failure of the NDA government to take action for the last 10 years despite knowing a citizen of Myanmar is among one of the SoO group. To restore normalcy in the state, the priority is to bring the KUKI militants in SoO under control.